Welcome to Go Mandarin Grammar.
华语语法战士。
In this lesson, we're going to review the directional complements
去
and
来，去
to go and
来，
to come are verbs.
去
Indicates directions away from the speaker.
来
On the other hand, indicates directions towards the speaker.
去
And
来
can function as directional complements. As directional complements, they also indicate the action away or towards the speaker. Let's take a look at some examples.
小华
His friend visited him at his house and
小华
wanted to invite his friend to come into the house. Should
小华
say
进去
go in or
进来
come in. That's right.
小华
His friend goes towards him. Therefore,
来
should be used. The conversation between the two friends would sound like this.
小华好久不见
I haven't seen you for ages.
小华好久不见快进来吧
Long time no see. Come in. How about the situation here?
小华
Is waiting for his friend outside a coffee shop. His friend shows up and says,
小华好久不见
they plan to chat in the coffee shop. The response for
小华
should be,
好久不见快进去吧
rather than.
快进来吧
Next, let's practice using verb
去
and verb
来
in sentences. Let's say you're leaving the coffee shop and go shopping with your mom. How would you inform your friends? You can use the verb
出
to indicate the action to go. But to show more information about the action, do you use
出去
or?
出来
Correct. It's
出去我现在要和妈妈一起出去
I'm going out with my mom now. When a friend asks you for a piece of paper, do you say
这张纸
this paper
你拿去吧
or
你拿来吧
which one is correct? Yes, the correct answer is
这张纸你拿去吧
take this paper. In this example, the teacher asks the students to bring their photo tomorrow. Should the teacher say
带去
or
带来
that's right, it's
明天把照片带来
bring your photo tomorrow. You have now mastered
去
and
来
and learn the grammar point about directional complements. See you soon at our next lesson.